Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is day 7 and video number 7 in a series of 45 videos that I'm going to walk you through the process of raising broilers from day 1 to day 45 when the broilers are fully mature and ready for market. So today I'm going to give them their first antibiotics, and the particular antibiotic I'm going to give them is TTS. Giving these antibiotics doesn't mean that the broilers are sick. It's actually for preventive measures. You can read the prescription on it. Yes. So, and this antibiotics is supposed to be one gram per 1 liter. But since the birds are still young, I'm going to give them 7 grams in 10 liters, because actually it was supposed to be 10 grams in 10 liters, but I'm going to give them 7 because they are not normally this antibiotics, the prescription there is only for bigger birds. Instead of giving them 10 grams in 10 liters, I'm going to give them 7 grams in 10 liters because they're still very young. TTS is actually a broad spectrum drug, and it works against a lot of gram positive and some few gram negative bacteria. You can see the targeted species on the sachet. I'll administer it for 3 days instead of 5 days because actually for preventive measures, and it's not like I'm treating them of any disease. I'm actually preparing the immune system against these bacteria. You can actually take note of a lot of things here. Apart from the amount to be administered, you can also see the withdrawal period. Withdrawal period here is 12 days. When you give them this drug, they have to make 12 days before they are safe to be consumed. So these are things that you should always take note of. There's some drugs that the withdrawal period is 0, which means that they are very safe. You can give them the same day and they consume, but this particular one, you have to be after 12 days before they are safe for consumption. You can see. So some other farmers will want to give them vaccine on this day 7, but normally for me, I don't give them the vaccine on day 7 because they have already received their vaccine in the hatchery on their first day. If you are doubting if the birds have received their vaccine or not, you should give them on that very day. If you don't trust your hatchery and you want to give them vaccine, you should give them the vaccine on the very day you receive them. Don't wait till day 7 because by day 7 the damage must have been done, so you will be late. So always give them the vaccine on the first day if you don't trust the source of your birds. But I'm going to give them the vaccine next week, which is day 14. So on that day I'm going to show you more information on that. But if you decide to give them vaccine again on day 7, there's absolutely no problem with that. You can give them. You can mix it. Then I'm mixing it so that it should really dissolve inside the water. I'm going to finish this 10 liter in less than 12 hours. So I will come and give them normal water without any antibiotics in the evening, and then we'll drink till the next day.
Actually give them water this time. When they came there, I'm able to finish 10 liters in 24 hours. But now, they finish 10 liters in less than 12 hours. And they're also eating a lot too. So you won't imagine that in less than 12 hours I need to clean this water. I don't know.
You can see them. Drinking the water. And it's a stubborn one. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that anytime that I post a video, you'll receive it in real time. Thank you very much.